Hello guys, welcome back. So let me take you through this stunning personal website or resume. So we start from the top. As you can see, this website has a favicon. That's a small icon that you see over here. It's called a favicon. So you can customize this to be your own. Check out the customization of this website. I'll link the video. That's our next video after this. I'm going to show you how to customize all these features to be your own. You don't need to code anything. All the codes, everything is for free. You can just download it and then I'll show you step by step how to do all these features to suit your own specifications. So that's a favicon, and then here we have a jumbotron, which is the background. So as you can see, you can also change the background image to be your own. So let me take you through you can see that the background shows a picture of some charts. So because I'm a data scientist, so I choose to show all these features, and then the machine learning kind of stuff. That's for the picture if you want, and then you can download any pictures online for free, some sites. I can show you all that. So we move to the next part or the second block of the personal website. As you can see, this part shows the profile. We have our profile picture, which is designed in a way. I'll show you how we got this design. And then just a small bio you can put here. You have your details here. As you can see, you can provide your age. Yes, I'm 100 years. Don't ask anything about that. So the right side, it's the sidebar, and this is a responsive sidebar. Responsive sidebar here currently, we are in the profile section. So currently it's highlighted on the profile. You can see if I click on the experience, it takes me to the block or the section that I want. If I click on the abilities, it takes me to the section that I want. And then we have our projects and the contact. So let's go back to our profile. So that's all about profile. We have a link here that you can provide your social media link. So in this case, this is my Twitter link. And as you can, when I click on the link, it takes me to my Twitter page. So that's it. You can provide your number here as well. Let's go to the third section or the third block of the personal website. In this side, we have our experiences. So you can list your education and then your degrees that you have. So you can see I'm from a civil engineering background from Ghana as well. So you come to the career side. So in this career section, you can list the company here. That's where you are working, and then you can list your activities or your job responsibilities in this side. There's also an icon where in this case you can show the location where you are working, and also there's a link where, for example, if you are working in a website in a company, you can put the company website address. So in this case, RX tutorials, and then when I click on this link, it takes me to the my channel page. So in all this, you can customize this or you can personify this to be your own. And then in this, so I've listed all my career. So in this case, you write, for example, company A, company B, and then you write whatever you have been doing. When you look at the abilities, it's a really nice design here. So we have the skills. In this case, you can list your skills, and then there's these are called glyphicons. And these glyphicons, when you hover around it, you see that you have some animation. So as I hover, you get some little twigs in here and there that's animated. So you can make the stars however how strong that you are in that skill. For example, Python programming, you can choose either a 3. I'll show you how we did all these features in the next video. That is how to customize this. So you can change all this to suit. You can list all your skills that you have to suit your own specification. Here you can list all your languages and also the tools that you have been using. And the interesting part, you have the projects. It's very important. For every resume, you have to showcase the projects or the works that you have done. So this gives a more detailed on the works, on your skills or the projects that you have worked on. So this is just a sample, a mock thing that I did on my own. So in this case, I just chose my channel name, that's RX Tutorials, and then in this case I provided the videos that I have done. Let's call it projects that I have done here. So you can see the first one, we build an interactive dashboard, dynamic dashboard with pivot tables, and then you can download this dashboard for free. I've provided the link, so whatever thing, the project that you have done, for example, you are a software engineer, you have built a website or something, you can provide the link here, and then when you click on the link, it takes you to whatever the target or where you want it to take you to. So that's it. So you can, if you have not watched this particular video, go watch all the videos how to build this interactive or Excel dashboard. It's really nice and it's really educative. So if you have not watched, I take this opportunity to invite you to go and watch this video. And then the second part, you can see that I've listed the projects as a Power BI tutorials. There's also a link here. So in summary, you can list all the projects that you've worked on, and then you can provide the links to the projects that you've worked on. So that's basically the summary, what you have to do. And I've provided a button here, and in this button, you can, if you have some skills that you have recorded a video, you can record a video of you doing something, for example, your project, your skills that you have done, and then you target this skills. So if you click on this, it will take you also to my channel page. That's if you want to view my projects, then you'll be able to see what the projects that I've worked on or the projects that I've executed. So that's about that. And the last block or the last section of this personal website or resume is the contact form. As if this is a complete contact form from the front end and also from the back end. So in this case, you have the name, the email address, and the message. So you can type your message, you can type your email. That's if you want somebody to contact you, and the name of the person you can type, and then you click on the send messages, and then you'll be able to send message to the person will be able to send message to you. In the last part, we have links of all the social media sites. So in this case, I have a link of my Twitter page, and I have also the link of my LinkedIn. So you can check it out if you want to follow me on Twitter. If you also want to follow me on a LinkedIn, you can check me out, and then you can follow me, or you can like my page. And then I have provided also that's a business email that you can see here. So that's the email. So in summary, that's a bit of the online or the personal website. So like I said in the intro video, we are going to this website, or this personal website or resume is going to go live. After the customization, we are going to customize this website to suit you, to make your own specification. Then I'm going to show you how this website is going to be live. You can share it to somebody or recruiters. They can view this website online, and you are going to do that for free. You're not going to pay a penny. You can share this website for free. Then your recruiters will be able to check you out and view more details about you. So that's a bit about this website. You can look at this icon that we provided here, just a WebKit image. And also, I've already talked about that's a sidebar that we fixed here, which navigates you through all the sections of the website. So as you can see, we have a sidebar which takes us to the contact. All the links by hover, it's working. So this is a beautiful, it's really stunning website that after building it, customizing it, you feel proud of yourself, from the favicon to the jumbotron and also to the profile section, to everything. After building this, you'll feel proud of yourself and you're going to land your dream job. So after watching this video, hit the like button, share it to your friends, and then subscribe. It's very important. Be part of our community so that you don't miss the customization of this. You can download the source code also. After, when I do the next video, I'll provide all the source code and all the files that you can download, and then you can, so don't miss out on this next video. Subscribe, don't miss out on this video. Be part of our community. See you in the next video. Bye.